Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Top of the morning, traders. How are you? It is Tuesday, the 7th of June, and we would love to hear from you guys. We'd love to hear how your trading's going, or if you need help with anything, so please leave a comment or question below the vid. Today, guys, is Tuesday, the 7th of June, and as always, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and also the important news for today as well. Okay, so let's look back at yesterday first of all, and there was only one potential trade, and it was this, guys. It was the Aussie dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Okay, and we were trying to short this market. The reasons we were trying to short this market is because of the following. So price was in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Didn't create a higher high. Okay, this tells me price is breaking down, and these lows here were eventually broken. Okay, so we was in a downward structure, and then price has returned all the way up to these last highs here, and then we got this negative candle, this bearish candle with a large wick, okay, rejecting these last highs here. So the last highs here, it was rejecting that zone. All right, so the idea was just to take price potentially back down to this blue line or even the last lows here. So that's the reasons we were trying to short this pair. Okay, let's look at H1 now, guys, to see if we could get in on this trade. So for me, guys, as I expressed throughout the day as well, I wanted to see a H1 structure break. Okay, so the idea was for price to come down, break all of these lows, okay, come back up, retest, and then shoot back down to one of our higher time frame targets. And as you can see, guys, that clearly didn't happen. We didn't have a breakdown in the H1. So price, this was our last H1 low, came back up, retested this level many times, and then shot back up. Okay, we do have a new H1 low here. Okay, so price, if it does react at these highs again, comes back down, breaks this, and reacts something like this, then that would be interesting, guys. But I need a H1 structure break on this pair. Okay, and we just didn't get that yesterday. It didn't meet our criteria, so we didn't have a trade, guys. All right, but let me know how you traded this pair, if you stayed out of this pair or actually traded this pair. I didn't. We didn't have a H1 structure break. Okay, guys, and that was the only trade from yesterday. So that's the recap finished. Let's look at today's potential trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, then please smash that like button. It really helps support the channel. And also come and join us at Simply Forex. Subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button. That way you'll receive an alert every single morning, guys. All right, so go ahead and do that. So trades for Tuesday, the 7th of June. We've got two potential trades today. The first one is this. This is the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. And as you can see, guys, so price was in an uptrend, okay, as you can see, and then price has come hurtling down and then shot straight back up, okay. So this area here was of interest, okay. So I wanted, maybe because price reacted here, and we wanted to see if it carried on and did come back down here, but it didn't. Instead, it shot up past this level, okay? And we've got this bullish candle form. So the idea is just to take it back up to this blue line here, this 7,750 level. All right. So we're looking to long this market. Okay, so let's look at H1 now, guys, for execution. Yeah, so we have a let's go back to the day chart, guys. So as you can see, this candle is very bullish. Okay, so I think momentum can take it back up to this blue line or even these last highs, guys. But yeah, bullish momentum is with us. Because of that momentum, if we go back to the H1 chart, price may not retrace all the way down to this grey zone. Okay, if it does, great. We're getting excellent value. Okay, so price could retrace down to this grey zone. Yeah, we see a bullish candlestick pattern form. We enter the trade, and then we take price back up to these last H1 highs, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run to our higher time frame target. If that doesn't happen, guys, because of the very bullish daily candle, price may only retrace down to here, let's say. Okay, all right, and then we see a bullish candlestick pattern happen around this zone. Okay, but we can still get into that trade because it's retraced enough. Okay, then we can enter the trade on the first bullish candlestick pattern, take price back up to these highs, close 80%, and then leave 20% to run, guys. Okay, so yeah, we've got a couple of options how to trade this pair, guys. All right, but we're looking to long Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, that's the first trade idea. The second trade idea is this. It's the euro against the Aussie dollar. All right, so reasons for shorting this are as follows. So price was in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Didn't create a higher high. Okay, and then eventually these lows here were broken. Okay, and now what you see a lot in the market is these lows here, which was once support, bounced off, has now become resistance. All right, and we had this, this negative candle formed yesterday. I know it's a doji candle, guys, but it has reacted at these last lows here. All right, so let's zoom in a little bit just to see that a bit clearer. Okay, so yeah, so these last lows here, even here. All right, it was once support, price broke down, come back up, retested it with this bearish doji. Okay, price has bounced off of these last lows. It's now resistance. So the idea is just to take price back down to these last lows here, or even carry on down to this blue line here. Okay, but they're the reasons we are shorting this market. Let's look at H1 now, okay, to see how we can enter this pair. Okay, guys, we've just got the one grey zone, and that corresponds with the once support and now resistance level as well. All right, and price has already reacted, as you can see, in this zone. Okay, but again, guys, I'm not interested until we get the European or London Open. So what I expect to happen is price may come down a little bit, then it will come back up, retest this high or this high. Okay, we'll get a bearish candlestick pattern form. Okay, that's our trigger to enter. We can then enter the trade. Okay, close 80% at the last H1 low, which is here. Okay, and then leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. All right, but yeah, we're looking to short the euro Aussie dollar, guys. If this grey zone is broke, guys, I'm not interested. All right. Okay, so yeah, they're the two trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the news now. Guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single day, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button. That way you'll receive an alert every single day. All right, so go ahead and do that, guys. Right, so news for Tuesday, the 7th of June. Overnight, as you can see, guys, there's nothing really happened overnight. But in 13 minutes, so 5:30 London GMT, we've got big news coming out of Australia, guys. Yeah, this is really going to move the Aussie dollar pair. All right, so we've got the interest rate decision, and they expect it to increase from 0.35% to 0.6%. All right, so big news coming out of Australia there, guys. If we carry on down, the next piece of important news is at 9:30 London GMT, and we've got two pieces of PMI data coming out of the UK, so this can move any pound pair. If we scroll down, we've got at 3 o'clock coming out of Canada, we've got more PMI data, so this could move any Canadian dollar pair. It's worth mentioning this, guys, at 4 o'clock coming out of New Zealand. I know it's only a 2-star rating, but this global dairy trade price index is big news for the New Zealand dollar. Okay, so this could move the New Zealand dollar pairs. And finally, at 5 o'clock, we've got the short-term energy outlook coming out of the US. And this can move any US dollar pair. All right, guys, so yeah, that's the news for today. I hope you've enjoyed the vid. If you have, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I hope you have a fantastic, wonderful trading day, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you later.